Hello. All right then. It's the last match of day 2 of Exquisite Premier League Box Cricket 2025. Nayak Warriors up against Edmontine. Score. Nayak Warriors winning the toss, deciding to bat first. Sarad Yadav alongside Gaurav Gohil to open us out in the middle. Kashyap to bowl. Everything looks set. All right, let's play. A full toss delivery and straight away runs on the board. Wonderful delivery. Oh, that catch has been dropped. Wasn't that difficult? Take that for the fielder. Manav. Oh, he's a brilliant fielder. Off the back foot, another one has been put down. But this one was a bit difficult than the previous one. Kashyap Thakkar, he has got an uncanny action. Not easy for the batter to pick him off his hand. There it is. Even the brilliant batsman likes of Gaurav Gohil, he has been unable to pick. Catch it is the shout. Opportunity. What an eventful over that was. For the catch, drop, and the throw at the striker's end. Could have been quicker, should have been a quicker one. And off over number 1, and the score is 4 without losing a wicket. Aditya, the bowler, bowling the second over. Two dot balls on the trot for Yadavji. Looks like Yadavji is just testing the fielders, giving catch practices. Oh, very well done. Smartly done by the batter. With an offer, and he just nudges it outside edge, steered it through the point region for a single. 6 on the board. Lot of actions happening and all happening in a jiffy. Mix up between two batter and Gaurav Gohil is been dismissed as run out. With that wicket, now the score is 2 for 1. 2 रन 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर 2 ओवर का खेल पूरा. Mangesh to roll his arm for the first time in this inning. And straight away deceive the batsman with a nip. Oh, 2 balls on the trot for Yadavji. And there it is, the third one. A hat-trick of dot ball, it's a wicket. And also, he has been given out as stumped out. Dot balls. Hit wicket. Oh, everything happened of the previous delivery. Dot ball and also the batsman steps onto the wicket. It's a hit wicket. Another -5 now. The score is -3 for 2. Oh, these bowlers, they are putting relentless pressure. No ball for center line, is it? Center line. A DRS has been taken by the fielding team. Let me tell you, every team. Okay. So I beg your pardon. Review has been taken by the batting side. हाँ. Okay, it's not a no ball, but it will still be counted as wide. Yes. So TRS, 1 DRS has been lost rather by the batting side. They have got only 1. Shreyas, he continues his rich form. Hands on head for the bowler, but extension of an arm from the umpire. Oh, good shot, but good fielding there by Rafe. Three overs done. Score is 2 runs for loss of 3 wickets. 3 runs for loss of 2 wickets. Brilliant bowling performance this by Edmundine. The captain must be very happy. And now comes to bowl the 4th over. We have got Manoj Kumar Keshariji. An all-rounder, not only on the field but also off the field. Manoj Keshariji, the secretary of the society and also one of the organizing committee member. What a fielding! Oh, these guys, those fielders. Those close-in fielders, they have been relentless. Live wire, a true live wire. Jay Dhami and Shreyas Raut out in the middle order batters to take the team out of the trouble first and then to put on a fighting total on the board. Bamboozled, the only word that can describe that shot. Oh, that delivery reminds me a delivery bowled by Sachin Tendulkar against Moin Khan. It was a test match cricket where the ball slicks through the batter of Moin Khan and he was clueless of what happened, just like Jay Dhami. He didn't know what happened there. Before he looked at the stumps, which has been uprooted. Wow, what a gem of a delivery that was. Unplayable. Two runs on the board for loss of 3 wicket. 4th over in progress. Another end of a tidy over. Score is 2 runs for loss of 3 wicket, 4 overs done. Oh, no ball call from the umpire. It's a schoolboy mistake. Free hit delivery, catch has been taken. Few of the fielders were celebrating, few of them were not. Few of them were aware of that was a free hit delivery, and Aditya, he knew it. Very well bowled and equally well played. Sometimes it's good for a batter to just put everything aside and respect the bowler. So runs are coming in form of singles at the moment for Nayak Warriors. Oh, very well done. Even in the previous match, we saw what Shreyas Raut can do as a batter. 6 runs came off that over. 8 runs on the board. 8 for 3. Yes, sir. 5 overs gone. 8 for 3. Digesh bowling the 6th over. Shreyas Raut. He has been a standout batter, a performer for the team, for Naik Warriors. Very well struck. And very well fielded as well by Aditya. He's a gun fielder. Very well played, out opportunity. The stumps are shattered, the bails are off. Well, the team, Admintine, the fielders, the bowler, they looked very confident. They believe that they have got their man. It's going to be another tough call for the third umpire to make. Just in time, just in time. The batter made it to his crease. Praveen was the batter in question. 1 run completed. And after a while, oh, that sound of the bat, it says everything. Maximum was written all over it. Two fielders on the boundary. They kept watching the ball sailing over the head. Easily done. The pace that Dikesh is bowling won't trouble the batter, especially the way Praveen and Shreyas Raut has been batting. 18 on the board, 10 runs came off it, 18 for 3 after 5, and now that signal of the umpire. It's a power over has been taken, and one can sense that it's a good call from the batting side. Both these batters are now looking in a great nick. They have got the start, would definitely like to cash in. But to make the things difficult for the batter, we have got a brilliant bowler, Kashyap. Great wrist work done by Praveen. He is so good in that region. Well, Shreyas Raut, he has been kept quiet in this inning so far, especially the kind of knock that he played in the previous encounter against the opponent. Wonderfully bowled and equally well played. 3 balls, 6 runs have been scored. Oh, they are finding the gap easily, getting singles easily. What a pitch of delivery! Oh, one of the best we have seen tonight. It has to be the ball of the tournament so far. Oh, yes. Praveen, he was batting on full throttle. And to get rid of him, they needed something extraordinary. Minus 10 runs and now the score is 16. Wow, wow, wow. You can just watch that ball all day, all long, and still you want to continue watching it. Last ball of the over. Wait a moment, umpire, please. Please help us with the batter's name. Thank you, thank you. Pranav, the batter. Almost had his second. Wow, what an over that was. 4 singles and last couple of deliveries of that over. You can watch it in highlight. And still you will not be tired. We are done with 7. Nayak Warriors 16 for 4. Well, the good thing for Nayak Warriors is Shreyas is still out in the middle. With that easy single on the onside, courtesy that clip by the batsman. He gets off the mark. Since this is the last over, and because Shreyas has been batting for a while, he's set. Will definitely look to play for the big one. It's a no ball, but it doesn't matter. The batsman still will be out. He wanted to play it flat batted stroke, but the top edge takes the ball out of the turf, and the batsman Shreyas, his inning has come to an end. 15 is the score now. 15 रन 15. अभी वो नहीं किया था, उसने नो बॉल का ऐड नहीं किया था. हो गया तुम मनुष्य हो. ठीक है हो गया. बॉल बैटर नाम मिला बैट्समैन का. Wait, umpires, please wait. Batsman name, please. It was a free hit delivery, and little did these fielders know. Oh, they were going to the bowler to congratulate him, but only Kashyap, he knew that it was a free hit delivery. Now everyone going back to their mark. It's a no ball because the ball pitched outside the wicket. It's a free hit delivery. Well, they are appealing for something, probably for run out at the non-striker's end. But the umpire. 17.45, 7.4. Good choice of word there by none other than G-Man here. As a bowler, if you're bowling a no ball in the death over, it's nothing sort of doing a crime. Single taken off the last ball of the inning takes the team's total to 20. 20 for 5 is what Nayak Warriors have posted after winning the toss, deciding to bat first. 21 is the target for Edmontine to clinch a victory in this game, which is also the last game of day 2 of this beautifully organized cricket tournament. All right then, to chase down 21. 21 is the target. Yes, good to go, sir. 21 is the target. And straight away, Praveen. Oh, the way he bowls, he is like a magician. Top edge and couple of runs onto the board. It's very difficult to pick this bowler off his hands. The variations he has got. Three dot balls on the trot. It's a wicket of the last ball of the first over. -5. Now the score is -3 after end of over number 1 for 1. Well, the bowler from Nayak Warriors, Praveen, he has been the topic of conversation throughout the day. Jay Dhami to bowl the second over. Manav, a very confident batter to face him. What a shot! A half tracker. It was a half tracker. And the batsman Manav, he needed no second invitation to smoke it out of the park. Maximum. Free hit delivery coming up. Well played. Good use of the feet by Mangesh there. And that's what you need to do as a batter when you're facing a spinner like Jay Dhami. Oh, excellent running between the wicket. Very well placed. Down the ground, straight to the fielder. Shreyas protecting the boundary. An off-spinning delivery was looking to follow the batsman, cram the batsman for the room there. Manav playing some eye-catching stroke in this inning. Off eventually. Mangesh, he was rooted to the crease there. He had no clue if the ball is going away from him or if it was coming. But the ball, it went straight and hits the stumps. A wicket of the final delivery of the second over. -5 runs. Score rate 6 for 2 after 2. Edmonton and Nayak Warriors. Yes, their batters, they disappointed them, but their bowlers, they have brought them into the game. 6 for 2 at the moment after 2. Oh, to get rid of a batsman likes of Mana. Look at Vineet. He is unstoppable. He is pumped up, and why not? One brings two. First Mangesh of the previous over. That two of the last ball. Now the first delivery of this over. Two good batsmen have been cleaned up. And now all of a sudden, the score for Edmonton reads 1 for 3. This is some serious stuff from this bowling unit of Nayak Warriors. Often we have talked and seen batters batting and stitching a partnership. At the moment, we are seeing the bowlers bowling in tandem, hunting in tandem and hunting wickets. Where will this go? Where will this go? It goes a straighter. Outside edge, straight to the keeper. 2 dot balls on the trot. Look at them. Oh, goodness. They are all around the new batter. Oh, that looks so good. All the fielders closing into the batter. Very well played there. Still going for a run. They'll have to run. But eventually, Rewant, he was too quick. The long lever, the long legs, the extension helped him to make his way to the crease. Oh, this cricket, this game is of fine margins. And the comeback is always one moment away, 1 over away. And I reckon the batting team, Edmonton, they must be waiting for that over. You might have seen batters toying with the fielding, toying with the bowler, but at this moment, it's Edmonton's bowlers. They are... A quicker delivery this time. But the bowler Shreyas, he erred in the line and the length as well. Oh, mix up. Could have been a terrible one there. Well, this is a fast-paced cricket, underarm cricket, especially the turf cricket. No fielder, no one gets a lot of time to think of their strategy. The catch has been taken now. वो डिक्लेयर जोन में नहीं गया ना, तो वहाँ पे तो बॉल इन प्ले एनी हाउ है। रन यही है, 4 विकेट। 4 overs gone. Edmonton 3 runs follows of 4 wickets. Equation is 18 required of 4 overs, 24 deliveries. Digesh Vora and Aditya Shah are the batters out in the middle. And to bowl the fifth over, we have got Pranav here from Nayak Warriors. Two dot balls on the trot for Aditya Shah here. Goodness me, there is no easy runs on offer. Relentless pressure being put by the bowlers. Oh, that ball bounced over the fielder, Pranav Praveen there. Long off comes into the picture, fields it, returns the ball back to the bowler, single taken. Good delivery, Divgesh there, using the wrist, flicking it on the onside through the square leg region. Runs are coming in form of singles at the moment for Edmonton. Well, the required rate still is under control for Edmonton. They still require at least 5 runs in an over. Shouldn't be a big deal, shouldn't be a big task for the batters. And if they keep batting the way they have been batting, these batters, should be a walk in the park for them. 9 on the board for loss of 4 wicket. It's a free hit delivery coming off for the power hitter, Aditya. What a shot, backs away, made room for himself and crashed it. A crunching back foot punch off the back foot through the cover. Single taken. Aditya will retain the strike. 5 overs done, Edmonton, 10 for 4. 11 required of 18 now. Fantastic effort this from the bowlers of Nayak Warriors. Oh, that will hurt the umpire. It was firmly hit by a powerful batter, Aditya. Full toss delivery. Umpire came in the way of that delivery. Still a couple of runs added to the tally. Oh, these are some easy pickings for the batter. The tossed up delivery. No pace at all, no sharp turn at all. It won't trouble the batsman like Aditya. Only 8 more required of 16 deliveries. Oh, premeditated one from Divgesh. Very well done by Divgesh. The ball went into the declare zone. The batsman will take the strike again. 14 for 4, 5.47 required of 14 deliveries. Oh, lots of ooze there. Wasn't far from the leg pole. Free. Well, he didn't want to play that uppish shot. Played it on the up. Was low one. He wanted to play it on the offside. The ball lobs up straight back to the bowler. Will definitely go down as a drop chance. Wonderful shot by Aditya. Straight to the fielder. Yadavji at long on. Single taken. 6 overs gone. Edmonton 17 for 4. Only a boundary away. A boundary away, Adventine from a glorious victory against a quality team. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The over we all had been waiting for. The power over. An over full of excitement. This is the over where you never know what's going to happen. It's so difficult to predict the outcome of this over. Praveen, a mystery bowler into the attack to bowl the most important over of the match. Oh, the ball was in the air, wasn't far away from the fielder winning that, who was at Silimidon. Well, the batsman that Aditya is, he's not afraid of playing his shots. There it is. The batter Digesh, look at him. He is watching that ball with his eyes open wide. Oh, how did that? How did that miss the stump? Goodness me. Incredible skill this guy has got. Praveen is to Nayak Warriors, was Varun Chakrabarti is to KKRs. With the batter, he is definitely not picking up, but it was an easy picking. Now the batsman Digesh, he is relieved. Score is level. So the score is level now. There it is. Look at Aditya. He is not afraid of playing his shots. Oh, he is built different. Aditya built differently. And it's good. As a batter, sometimes you don't need to play the ball, play the situation. 22. Very well played. Very, very well played. Keeping the ball, keeping the eyes on the ball till the very end. Adventine now, after the end of over number 7, score is 25. They are well ahead of the opponent's team's total. 25, 25 for 4. Yes, they are 4 runs ahead of Nayak Warriors total. Though the team Adventine, they are well ahead of the Nayak Warriors team's total. But still, is there a twist in a tail in this final over of the match? If the catch has been taken in his own bowling. Free hit delivery and sensible batting this. There it is. They sniff an opportunity, take couple, and they will definitely go for it, complete it easily. Out of nowhere. We did talk about twist in a tail. That wicket will certainly open the door of opportunity. 24 is the score. They need at least one more wicket. 3 deliveries. Three deliveries remaining in this match. And Shreyas 3 गेंदें बाकी है और अभी भी एक विकेट बिल्कुल इस मैच में उथल पुथल मचा सकता है. So vastly experienced batsman has come out to bat in the middle. 3 deliveries remaining. They need a wicket. Into the block hole. It's a dot ball. Impeccable. Impeccable accuracy. Oh, wow. The quicker you bowl to him, the quicker it will fly from the blade of him. Of his blade. बंद हो गया. Wow. This last delivery of the match score is 25. If this is a wicket, it is going to be a victory for Naik Warriors. And look at Aditya. As solid. A very unorthodox way of defending the ball by Aditya. But that's what needed by them. Edmonton has won the game against the quality team, Naik Warriors. Their bowlers have been relentless. A cracker of a game comes to an end. And that is it from the day 2 of Exquisite Premier League Edition 6. Please join us tomorrow, 6 in the morning, for some more live actions from this tournament. Until then, good night, goodbye.